side from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine reporting from Taiwan Expo 2025 India. And today I have Prashant with me from Sunprotected Technology. Hi Prashant.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm great. What about you?
I'm good, thank you. Can you brief me about your company and how you started?
Yeah, sure. Actually, we have a company in Taiwan. Our headquarters is in Taipei, Taiwan, and our company is all about storage, backup, and encryption. All right. So basically, we started in 2010, and so first of all, we started with the IC chip, but now we are moved into PCB modules, even with the finished devices. So I will brief you about two, three products majorly which we sell. So majorly we sell manufactured series. It is basically for the persons who need a backup with storage. All right, you have to buy the storage and charging externally devices. So with this we have made the charger who has the backup capacity. So with the 60 watts plus 30 watts, they can use the micro SD card with the device, and with this they can get the backup done during the charging of their iPhone, iPad, MacBook, and Windows PC. All right. So we have given the MFI certification for all the devices. So all the devices are certified by Apple. But then we having a manufacturer link, which is our Hero SQ in India. So this device you can get already from our website in Aspetronics in India. And this device we are selling majorly like a module. So this device will work like a backup drive. So
Right.
you don't need to do or use any pen drive with this. So you can just directly connect with any regular charger, or this will convert the regular charger into a backup charger.
That's great.
And with this flash drive, you can get the expandable storage up to 2 terabyte. All right, so this is more than enough requirement you can have with 2 terabyte storage capacity. So this can do the backup while charging. This can do the effortless auto backup. Auto backup means the customer can turn on the backup. They will get the backup done during the charging of their device.
Right.
So they can directly connect with the MacBook, iPhone, iPad, or Windows PC laptop. So they can directly connect with this, and you can solve the device while charging, and the backup is done on the backside.
Right, that's great.
Yeah. So
So-
majorly we are planning to get the distribution done in India.
Okay.
So majorly we will focus more on this to sell on the marketplace as well, like such as Amazon, Flipkart, even on the distribution channel.
So where is your company located in India?
Basically, we are having a warehouse in Kurukshetra, Haryana, and I am sitting basically in Bangalore.
Okay, that's great. So what are the products you are highlighting at this
Yeah,
event?
sure. We can go that side. I'll
Sure.
highlight the products for you. So majorly we have the Hero devices. This one is called manufacturer link. So this device you can get the backup done while regular charging with your device. So this device you can connect like this. So this device you need to connect with this like this with any regular charger. So you can get the backup done while
Right.
charging your device. So if you are using directly with your iPhone, iPad, and MacBook, you can also connect directly with the iPhone, iPad, or MacBook.
Right.
This device. So this you don't need to do any like buy any pen drive or external SSD. You can just have this device. So it will save the time for your SSD and pen drive, and you don't need to spend any money on external device.
Right.
So this can save them tons of money. And this is for the customers who don't need iCloud storage investment.
Right.
So they don't need to pay for iCloud monthly subscription every day. They can get this device done just with this device, single
Right.
device. And this is handy as well. They can get the device, transfer the device anywhere. You can travel with this device.
That's great.
Yes. And one more device we having, this is we have made with very good innovation. This is a charger plus backup device both. So not only with the pen drive or SSD, customer can get all in one device. In this device, they can charge the device with a 60-watt capacity, and they can put the micro SD card here, and they can get the backup done, and they can get the encryption as well.
Right.
So all these devices work with our app. This is our app called Manufacturer app. This app is available in Apple Store, Windows plus MacBook Store as well. So they can surf the app and you can use all the devices. Or you can connect with us in Aspetronics website.
That's great. So are you dealing with like international markets as well?
Yes, we deal in Japan, we deal in USA, even in India market, we just trying to expand, right?
Okay, that's great.
And already we are available in Taiwan in many stores.
Right. That's nice. Thank you. Thank you for sharing your time with us. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much. All right, see you.